What you see here is the homepage for the ESGF web portal located at the Program for Climate Model Diagnosis and Intercomparison Center, or PCMDI. The organization of the page is relatively straightforward. At the top, we have the ESGF logo on the upper left-hand side. On the upper right-hand side, we have our institutional logo, in this case PCMDI. Just below the logos is a navigational bar containing links to other parts of the site. Let's briefly explore some of these links. First, I'm going to head to the help page, which, as the name suggests, offers various categorized resources for help. If further understanding for a specific need is required, feel free to click on one of the links with an envelope icon, which will launch our email client to our help list. To the immediate left of the help link is the login button, which will navigate us to the login page. Here we can log into the system so that we can search and download datasets. We can also register if we have not registered already, as well as retrieve our username and password information if needed. To the left of the login link is the Tools button, which gives some useful information and links to some of our most powerful visualization and analytics tools, such as the Ultrascale Visualization Climate Data Analysis Tools, or UVCDAT. Finally, we have the Search button, where we perform most of our interactions with the services of the ESGF system. It is here where we can search and discover data sets through a variety of search tools. In this case, I utilize the text box with a wildcard search. We can also execute visualizations and analytics, as well as view various metadata about a particular data set. We can also download the data. Moving to the bottom of the page, you will see some key pieces of information. On the left-hand side, you will see your current user information displayed. In this case, we're just a guest user because we haven't logged into the system as of yet. But when you do log into the system, you shall see your user ID in the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, there are various help links, including a quick mail messenger in the link of Contact ESGF, as well as a link to our homepage so that you can get more detailed information about ESGF in general. Moving back to the center of the page, we see on the right a number of links to various resources relevant to ESGF. On the left side, we see a listing of participating nodes in the ESGF Federation. Basically, these are institutions that have their own unique customization to their respective ESGF web portals. Note that one of the customizations is the mission statement of the institution located in the very center of the page. In this case, it's the PCMDI mission. Navigating to another site, say the NASA JPL node, we see that the page, although similar, has some noticeable differences. We see the logo is different, the mission statement is different, and various other aspects of the page are different. It is important to note, though, that despite these cosmetic differences between portals, all the contents of the ESGF system themselves can be viewed regardless of which institution you decide to use. One important thing that should be noted is that although I am currently using Chrome as my browser, we do support other browsers for ESGF. To see a complete listing of the supported browsers, simply click on the link at the bottom that says supported browsers, and it should take you to a listing of the browsers and associated versions of which we do support. That was a brief introduction to the Earth System Grid Federation Data Management Web Portal System.